crawdaddies are crawling out of this pipe, and they're all looking at me. And I'm just calling up crawdaddies as they come. Oh, it was a mess.
Hey guys, what's going on? How are we doing? Guys? Cool.
Alright, everyone. I think you all know what time it is.
11:55.
No, you goof. It's time for the birthday boy to hit the piñata.
Guys, we really do not have to do this.
I already bought the thing, so...
Come on, Zach. We always hit the piñata.
Who was that guy? Did you invite some random guy over?
I thought you invited him.
Why don't you hit the piñata?
Because it's your birthday, you goof.
Fine, I'll hit it, but I'm totally over this.
We'll see about that.
Where's the bat?
The bat? Oh my god. I left it at Braden's brother's bar mitzvah. Let me see. Yeah, I don't see the brooms either.
What, you can't find a stick? What am I supposed to do? Punch it? Bottle. Let's do this shit.
Alright. Ready? Set. Go! Two! Stop! No!
I'm getting that candy, come on.
Man, who even made the checkoff technique anyways? Oh hey! Randy came. Good for him.
Guys, that was actually pretty fun. Oh my god, what the fuck? What happened?
I don't know. I think that Randy was a goddamn candy man.
Well, you know what that means.
What, dude?
Well, we got a whole lot of candy to eat. Come on.
$11.59 and submit. Thank God that it's done. Oh shit! There's a discussion post too.
fucking idiot.
Hey guys! It took me a long time to find you this time. Can I hang out? How are we doing? We okay? Oh, come on, no, what did I do?
Stop it! You're acting like a child.
They're coming for you. Look, there comes one of them now.
He'll hear you.
Here he comes now. I'm getting out of here.
Johnny. Ah!
And you boys are right where I left you.
Hi, Dana.
Hey, Dana. Check your emails. Brian said he's gonna kick you out of class if you guys don't start showing up.
Whatever. All's well that ends well.
Alright, well, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go make some lunch. You boys want anything? More ones, Pop Pockets. Again. Hey, did the power go out?
No. Why?
The microwave's not working. Jesus Christ.
No! No!
It's okay, Delmar. We can just get another one.
Oh, that is so easy for you to say, you snake. She never even liked you anyway.
What the
He's going through a tough time. He just lost a loved one.
Pete, I've been standing here the whole time.
Please pass along your grievances and move along, ma'am.
Maybe we can fix it, okay? We will make it better. We can. It's not the microwave that we deserve, but it's the one we need, man.
What's the plan?
Do you know? Oh, did you still buy Bud from those engineering students?
You mean Ripley?
Yeah, Ripley. We gotta call Ripley.
But they may be in class.
Dude, call Ripley.
Fucking straight people.
Call Ripley, man.
Have you tried unplugging it and plugging it back in?
Well, it's broken.
I told you so.
What?
Hush! There's nothing you can do.
I'm sorry.
Well, next time we call someone to fix this, we'll call a maintenance person and not a drug dealer. No offense.
None taken.
Hey, Daniel! Dude, stop! This is not like you! you. You used to love her, dude. This is the machine I once loved. Tis but a shell.
Can't you both see this is tearing us apart?
I'm so sorry, Delmar. Dude, I forgave you the moment that you did it, man. Hold me, Pete.
I know someone that can help.
Really?
So, who was this again?
It's my stepdad's kid
Oh,
and my drug dealer.
well, it's a family business.
This will do the trick.
Oh my god. You fucking idiots! I should have handled this from the beginning.
Who are you calling?
My drug dealer.
That's it. Deep breaths.
Somebody rang.
Is he gonna do it?
I almost hope not. This is so entertaining.
Did it.
Oh my god, that was incredible.
Yes! Yes!
Hey, what gives? The power's on, but it's still not working.
Hey guys, what's going on? We doing some improv. Can I join? What did I do? Boing. Boing.
Alright, guys, so we have about 15. Where did everybody go? Great. So much for these exact 13. More like these exact 1, am I right?